Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can port your WordPress site in maintenance mode. So let's begin. First we are going to our WordPress dashboard, and here on the left panel here you can see plugin. Click on add new plugin. Now here search for under construction, and this is the plugin called under construction. So now click on install now. This is completely free. Click activate. Okay, now click on setting under construction. Click on that. Okay, dismiss. And under construction mode is currently off. Click on enable on. Prevent search engine from indexing the temporary site. This option available in pro mode. So now click on design and select your preferable design. I am going to choose this one. Click activate. Okay, it's activated, and here you can see content tab. You can change the content from here. So let's see how does look like our site. Okay, it's currently enabled. We have to check this in incognito mode. And here you can see we have successfully enabled maintenance mode in our WordPress site. So this is how you can port your WordPress site in maintenance mode. If this video helped you, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.